Hello everybody. So I'm going to play this record to you to show that it is not so good and there are a lot of tweaks. So don't worry, this is not my primary turntable. I have a 124 Thorens 124, a 301, a 401. But here I am demonstrating for the purpose of cleaning a record.
लाल खड़ी मैदान खड़ी क्या खूब लड़ी क्या खूब लड़ी हम दिल से गए.
Just saw that it was very there were so many ticks and all. So I'm going to now clean this up and show you my requirements. What I'm going to use is WD-40. This will be my primary weapon, and I'm going to showcase you what happens later. That's it. Look what I'm doing. This is what I've done, okay? This is only for one side I'm going to demonstrate to you. Next thing is using this cloth, simple plain cloth. The idea is to clean the WD-40 out. See, now this is what I've done here. Now I'm going to pick up the next thing. The next thing is this. Done. Now I'm going to clean this up. For some time, I'm just going to clean this thing. Now this was the colon. So we used WD-40, wiped it, used colon. Now put it here. Now I'm going to, having done this, now I'm going to take it to the washroom. Here it is. This is a very high pressure. High pressure. After having washed this on high pressure, I've just got it back here. And look at what I'm going to do now. No rocket science here. Very basic. I'm going to use this. Now let us see what is the result.
बात बड़ी लाल चढ़ी मैदान खड़ी ओ तीखे तीखे दो नैना उस शौक से आंख मिलाना था देने को